Hey guys, it's Johnny Iting. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Nintendo Switch. First, tap on the settings icon at the bottom of your home screen. Double tap. Scroll all the way down to see System at the bottom and left of the screen. Scroll all the way down in the middle until you see Format Options. Tap on Format Options. Scroll all the way down to see Restore Factory Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Next. Tap on Next. This console will connect to your internet. Unlink your Nintendo account. Tap Next. And it should connect to your internet. A caution will come up. To reset your console, you need to tap Restore Factory Settings, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to cancel it out, which you can do. If you don't want to do it, just tap Cancel. Then it'll take you back. That's how to reset your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.